Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that Snapchat not sending snaps. So you want to fix that problem in easy way. First of all, you just follow the steps to follow it to fix that problem. First of all, just go back and just simply go to settings. Just tap on the settings. After to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that your VPN is not connected. After make sure that, then you go back. Simply go back and just tap Snapchat. Just tap on Snapchat and just simply go to your chats and just want to make a snap of just like that. I'm making a snap of that. Just tap on it and just simply send to. So make sure that if you're sending anyone snap, make sure that it's not block you. Just like that, I'm tap on that person. Before to tap on that person, just go back simply and just go to your chats, and you have to make sure that just like that I want to send a snap to that person. Just like that I want to say that person, just tap on it and to just go manage friends, and you have to make sure that you didn't block him and her. Just like that I didn't block them, so make sure that you didn't block him before sending the snaps. After that, just go back, and if your problem is not gonna fix, then simply go back and have to make sure that your Snapchat is not server is not down or not. Just simply go to Google Chrome and search it that Snapchat server is down or not. So after that, just simply go back and just simply go to settings and just go to search bar and just simply search a snap from here, just like that, a Snapchat. You see there is an app info Snapchat. Just tap on it and just simply scroll down and just go to a storage. Just tap on storage and you just simply clear a cache from here, just like that. Clear cache. After that, just simply go back and make sure that your problem gonna fix. So that's a setting. You have to make sure to use a Snapchat and also sending snaps to your friends and family. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.